Hello. We are now down to our last exercise in reading the words and sentences with the concept short O. I am glad to enjoy reading the concept again with you. Hands on your lap, eyes on the screen, and let's start reading the short O decodable words. From. Stop. Lost. Drop. Soft. Spot. Lost. Soft. From. Stop. Drop. Let us review the following short O words. Got. Drop. Dog. Slot. Let us proceed reading the following short O phrases. A spot on the pants. A plop in the pond. Finally, let us read these short O sentences. The ta did sob. I did spot the lost fox. Incredible! Congratulations, you have finished the 5 exercises in reading the concept short O. Hope to see you again in your next reading concept.